I'd like to demonstrate how Lenape Indian moccasins should be made. For the younger generation, I hope they pay close attention. The first thing to do is get an outline of the foot with socks on, and then measure over across the instep and make this on the cardboard. Then here's the way you lay this cardboard on the hide, that is. And this is the way they should look after they've been cut out. And after this step, well, you sew this toe up like this, and like this. It'll be a lot of, this is one style, but you can also put a little narrow tongue in here. But the old style is like this without a tongue. And after you get this toe sewn up like this, there'll be a lot of gathers here. And they're supposed to be worked with the thumb where it will look like this after it's finished. Now this is the finished product except for the beadwork on this toe and the ribbon work on the cuffs. And they're not to fit like a shoe. They fit like a glove. When you first put them on, you're supposed to work them on the foot. And there are a lot of people makes a mistake thinking they should fit like a shoe, but you want to sort of work them on your foot. And this is the way the toe should look after it's all cut up and sewn up. And this is the last step. Now this is a finished product right here. And this is the way the old-time Lenape moccasins look. But this one here has a toe, a tongue rather, right here. But the old style don't have a tongue. And you can put whatever design of beadwork here, it's appropriate. And this is what they call the ribbon work cuff. And this one has 4 colors. But you don't need to put 4 colors if you don't wish to do that. You can just use 2 if you want to, but these are real fancy ones that I wear in special ceremonies. And I learned how to make these moccasins through my mother. In fact, she learned me beadwork and ribbon work and moccasin making. Because that's what she used to do when she was here. So I guess this is the demonstration on the moccasins.